Hi, I'm Viktor, simulation specialist at PLM Group. I've shown you before some meshing tips when doing a tet mesh with Simulia on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. So here's another one. Sometimes we cannot do the featuring in the geometry, maybe we don't control it or own it, and maybe it's not possible. Then we can do the featuring of our geometry in the mesh itself by removing some mesh constraints or by using some built-in features. So here's one of those. Let's create a tet mesh for the main body. Let's create the mesh and let's see what it looks like without the geometry on top. And we get some bad elements and some really bad meshing in this little corner here. So let's edit the mesh. I go to edit all parameters. I will go to the geometry tab. I will click remove logos, and it will remove certain logos within the specified default parameters. So I'm going to remesh this one. And the logo is gone, and we can continue working. Thanks for watching.